So at the end of row 2, place chain 3, last 3 chain, and place your single crochet on the last single crochet. Now row 3, chain 1 and a single crochet on single crochet, chain 3, single crochet and a chain 3, chain 3, single crochet and chain 3, one double crochet on the next double, chain 1, double in next double, chain 1, double on 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 double. You'll have 7 double crochets separated by chain 1 spaces. Single crochet next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in next chain 3 space, now double on double crochet, chain 1, double on double. So continue the stitch pattern till the end of the row. So we are placing double on double on 7 DC separated by chain 1 space, single crochet in chain 3 loop, chain 3, single crochet in chain 3 loop. Again complete the double crochet separated by chain 1 on 7 DCs of the previous row. Complete the stitch pattern and get back. At the end of the row, I placed my chain 3 and SC here. Again chain 1 and place a double crochet on top of the single crochet here. So that we get a straight edge. Having placed your last stitch here, turn your work, chain 1, place a single crochet on the very first stitch, chain 3, SC in the next 3 chain loop. So when we come back, we'll work on this. Now chain 1, a double on double, chain 2, double on double. So in this row we are working a double crochet on double crochet of the fan like structure with 2 chains apart. One minute. Yeah. So we'll have 7 doubles on the fan like structure separated by 2 chains. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's time to place a single crochet under the chain 3 loop. Chain 1, single crochet in the loop, chain 1, and a double on double, chain 2, double on double. So continue in this manner till the end of the row. I shall meet you at the end of this particular row. At the end of row 4, I place my last single crochet in this loop, chain 1, and place a double crochet on top of this single crochet. So see, you're getting a straight line edge. Turn your work. Chain 1. Place a single crochet on the single crochet here. It's double crochet here. Chain 3. Single crochet in the chain loop. Chain 3. Single crochet in the chain loop, chain 3, skip the first DC of the 7 DC, place a single crochet under the chain 2 loop, chain 2 space, chain 3, skip 2 DCs, single crochet under the chain 2, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet under chain 2 space. So we are ideally having 1, 2, 3 loops on the fan like structure here. Now chain 5. Skip these 2 DCs, single crochet and the next 2 DCs and place a single crochet under the chain 2 loop. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, having placed the single crochet in this loop here, chain 3, skip 2 double crochets, place a single crochet under the chain 2 space, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet in next chain 2 space, chain 3, skip the DC, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 2 space. We have placed 3 loops, 3 chain 3 loops in the middle of the fan like structure. Now chain 5. Skip the DC, chain 2 space, DC, chain 1 space, SC, chain 1 space, DC, chain 2 space, DC, and straight away work a single crochet in the next chain 2 space. This is how it should look. Chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 2 loop, chain 3, single crochet in next chain 3 loop, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 loop. Again we are going to chain 5, skip the DCs, chain 2, chain 1, SC, chain 1, DC, chain 2 DC, and directly go over to this chain 2 space and place a single crochet. Continue the stitch, repeat till the end of the row. I shall also complete and get back. At the end of row 5, chain 3, skip these two and place a single crochet in the chain 3 loop. Now chain 2 and place a double crochet, not here, not in the SC, but on the DC of the 2 rows below, to get a straight edge. This gives a better edging. So these small tips we need to follow as per the convenience and as per how we work and go along. So this won't make any difference to your stitch counts. Turn your work. Chain 1, single crochet on the first stitch, chain 3, place a single crochet in the first loop, chain 3, single crochet in the next. These are the side loops, not counted in the pattern exactly. So let us maintain this. Now chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 loop, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 loop, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 loop, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 loop. If we require, we can make a half shell here, but I am avoiding it. Turn your work. Chain 1, single crochet on the very first stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next loop, now we are going to make a semi shell here in the next loop. So place 3 double crochets, single crochet in the next loop, chain 3, single crochet in the next loop, chain 3, single crochet in the next loop. Now place 9 double crochets under chain 5 space. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Again we come to chain 5 space here, place 9 doubles. Again single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single and chain 3 space, chain 3, single and chain 3 space, and work 5 doubles, 9 doubles in the next chain. Continue till the end of the row. I shall meet you at the end of this row, wherein we will place 1/2 shell here in the last before completing. Okay, I shall meet you at this particular point at the end of this row. At the end of row 6, make 3 double crochets in the space that is the half shell we are making. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, directly make a single crochet on the stitch over here. This will give a better definition. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet on the first stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 space, 1 double on the very first double. So this will get set when we work the next row. Chain 1, 1 double in the next double, chain 1, 1 double in the next double. Single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Now we are going to work over the 9 double crochets, double on the first double, chain 1, double on the next double, chain 1, double on the next double. You'll have 9 doubles separated by chain 1 spaces. We have placed 9 double crochets separated by chain 1 spaces. Now single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Now again work 9 doubles separated by single chain, each DC separated by 1 chain space. Continue the stitch pattern till the end of the row. I shall meet you at the end of this particular row.